Hello, in this video we're going to find out more about Counos Escrow. You can use this service for secure online trades. To start working with the system, please click on Login. Here you can use your Counos account information to log in. After you put your information, you click on Sign In, or if you don't have an account, you should click on Create a new account. Make sure to enter your information correctly. After you logged in, you are redirected to the main page of Counos Escrow. Here we have different options that we are going to go through one by one. Click here to view all contracts. As you can see, by clicking on that button, you can see all your contracts. And by clicking here, you can view your profile. This is your profile. You can choose a picture and you can see your scores based on your previous transactions and contracts. By clicking on My Contracts, you can also see all your contracts. Click on Agents to get more information about the agents that are active in Counos Escrow. Click on Create New Contract in order to create a new contract. It has various steps, starting by choosing the coin. For example, you can choose Counos coin. Then you choose your side, the buyer or the seller. If you're the buyer, then you put in the seller's email. Afterward, an invitation will be sent to them. Then you choose your escrow agent. And then click on Next. Here you can see that an invitation email has been sent to the email you already put in the previous step. So make sure to put in the correct email address, whether it is the email address of the buyer or the seller, basically the email address of the other side. You put it correctly and an email address is sent to them. Even if they're not a user, the invitation entails within it a link to create an account. So again, we put the email of the other side of the contract. Alright, now the next step, we choose a title for our contract and we specify the terms of the contract. Make sure to be very precise and clear because the terms of the contract are very important. They are used in arbitration if there will be any disputes. So again, make sure to put them very correctly and precisely. If you're satisfied with the contract terms you have put in, then you can click on Next and make sure to choose a title. Then click on Next. Here you can set a number of milestones for your contract or a number of installments. You can set a date, you can set the price, you can make as many installments or milestones as you want. Here in the last step, you check all the information of the contract, the coin you chose, the roles, the name, the contract terms, everything, the milestones. If everything is correct and everything is satisfactory to you, you can click on Create and your contract will be created. Alright, as you can see, you have successfully created a contract. You have approved the contract. Now we are waiting for the other side and also the agent to approve the contract as well. All three sides need to approve. Now you need to print out the contract and sign it. And then you have to scan the signed copy and upload it here to send it for the other party. Now we can go to personal wallets. Here you can put in your wallet information and wallet addresses in order to withdraw the proceedings of contracts. You can add new receiving addresses like this. You choose the coin, the wallet name, the wallet address, and that's it. You can also view all the transaction history, the amount of assets that have been withdrawn by you in the past. And then again, you can view your profile here, your picture, your scores. And that's it. That is Counos Escrow. Very simple and very elegant. In the upper dashboard, we have some also icons. One of them is for your notifications. One of them is for messages. And the other is your profile. And that's it. In the end, you can click on log out. Thank you for watching this video.